Are you looking for a house very near Katipunan where Ateneo and UP is? This might be the home for you guys. So ano pang hinihintay natin? Tara! Inside Vermont Park subdivision here along Marcos Highway. So it's very near SM Masinag. Actually, pwede niyo pong lakarin papuntang SM Masinag from this house. So this is a duplex house that's standing on a 106 square meter lot area with a floor area of 172. So ayan, nandito tayo sa car garage, 2-car garage. So more or less po 6 meters yung frontage natin. Yan, so kasyang-kasya po ang dalawang SUV dito. And then as you can see, meron pa tayong very spacious na walkway papunta sa ating service area. Actually, this will serve also as your garden kung mahilig kayo mag-gardening and all your other hobbies. Pwede nyo dito ipwesto yon. Mahilig kayo mag-workout, pwede kayong magawa ng mini gym dito. So this is our main door. For our main door, smart lock na yun nakalagay. So you don't have to, kumbaga, replace it. Ano na lang yan? Thumb, tsaka meron, syempreng, tawag dito, code. So kahit hindi na kailangan magsusi, yan, smart lock na tayo, guys. Welcome to this amazing 3-bedroom duplex. Nandito tayo ngayon sa living area. So, ito ang, kung mapapansin nyo, the color palette of the house is brown. Tapos stucco finish yung walls natin. So, very industrial yung dating niya. Yan. And then, of course, this one. Ito actually, dito yung TV natin. Kung maglalagay kayo ng TV, ang gandang backdrop na nung pinaka-wall natin. Kasi meron na siyang WPC or wooden plastic composite. Actually, kung mapapansin nyo, karamihan ngayon, ganyan na yung ginagamit kasi easy maintenance, tapos pleasing to the eyes kapag yung parang maraming wood pagdating sa bahay. Actually, that's our living area. And then this is our dining area. Actually, magkadugtong lang siya. This is for a startup family, family of 3, 4, maybe 5. So hindi siya sobrang laki, pero actually usually naman yung mga startup families kailangan medyo, alam mo yun, hindi masyadong mahal, pero hindi rin sobrang laki. Hirap maglinis ng bahay. Yan. So, coming from the dining, this is our kitchen area. For the kitchen area, ano siya actually? Kumbaga straightforward siya. Nandito lang siya on your left side. Meron tayong kitchen cabinets. And then of course, meron din tayo dito, under. And then, It's granite countertop. Sabi ng isa sa ating subscriber, hindi siya granite, it's granite. Thank you for correcting us. Pero actually, very modern na yung ginamit nilang second faucet dito. Meron ng piano keys. You also have the waterfall design. Yan. Ito actually, pwede na itong yung drinking water. Filtered water, tama. Galing ng ating filtered water. Tapos dito yung dishwashing. And then of course for your glass. Yan. And then on your right side, katapat ng ating kitchen is our first toilet and bath. Yan. Actually for the toilet and bath, same color palette, gray, brown, white. And then meron ka ring hanging sink and faucet dito. And then, smart na rin yung ating toilet and bath. May 3 functions siya. So, para sa mga nakakalimutan mag-flush. Eto, pag tayo mo pa lang, nagpo-flush na siya mag-isa. Diba? So, magandang feature. Smart na rin yan. And then, for our shower, meron na siyang water heater na kasama. And then, the shower head is, naka-piano keys ka na rin. And it's matte black. Ayan. Actually, medyo masculine yung pagkaka-fit out nito. Pero maganda siya, di ba? And then, of course, dito natin pwedeng ilagay ang ating, from that, medyo tutuloy ulit tayo ng kitchen. For our kitchen, pwede natin dito ilagay ang ating cooktop or oven. And then, yung mga 6-foot natin na refrigerator, pwede dito. Ayan. And then, pwede kayong maglagay ng mga coffee nook nyo dito. Okay, so this naman is going to our service area. Okay, for our service area, actually, kayo na po yung mag-i-improve ng ating service area or service kitchen. Wala po tayong built-in, pero yun, it's very spacious. And then, meron pa rin tayong staff room or maid's room dito. Yan. So, may maid's room. So, nasa labas. It's outside the house. Although, wala siyang sariling toilet and bath. Doon siya sa ground floor natin na toilet and bath. Yan. Before heading back inside, nakita namin to. This is a pressure tank. So, kasi 3-story house siya. And then, ayaw naman natin na magkulang yung pressure. Yung shower nyo, kapraso na lang pag nasa 3rd floor. So, this makes sure, this water pressure tank will make sure na maayos po ang water supply kahit sa ating 3rd floor. Headed to the 2nd floor. Tara! Yan. So, nandito na tayo 2nd floor, guys. Check muna natin yung 1st bedroom bago tayo mag-master's bedroom. Yan. So, welcome to our 1st bedroom. Meron na tayong built-in closet. Sarado lang natin to, guys. Yan. For our built-in closet, almost floor to ceiling siya. And then, of course, same as sa baba, meron pa rin tayong pinaka-backdrop if you want to have your own TV dito sa bedroom. And then, meron tayong sliding glass windows here. And then, of course, dito naman ang ating headboard. Kasya po queen size bed dito. Lapad natin 1, 2, 3, 3.5, 4. 4 by 4. Probably mga 18 square meters tong bedroom na to. So, maluwag pa rin siya. Most likely naman kids room to or not the masters. So, maluwag pa rin siya. This is our ensuite toilet and bath for the 1st bedroom. The finishes of this one is almost the same as the ground floor toilet and bath. Yan, parehong-pareho siya. Matte black, stucco finish, wall. gray tiles, non-skid wooden tiles. And then of course, may kasama na rin tayong mirror. Kompleto na siya. And then the toilet is consistent, smart toilet na rin. Check natin yung master's bedroom. Yan. So, right upon entering, this is where our headboard will be. Yan. Kasya po queen size bed, of course. Yan, dito tayo. Then, pwede ka maglagay ng ano dito, bedside table. Okay, and then of course, meron din tayong openable windows here. Yan, for natural air and natural light. For the aircon pala, ang nakaabang sa atin dito are window type aircon. And then of course, your TV or wall-mounted TV can be here. Okay? And then, meron din to syempre sariling toilet and bath because this is the master's bedroom. Yan. So wala pong inggitan, pare-pareho po yung yung finishes ng ating toilet and bath. So, kumbaga walang lamangan, pare-pareho siya. So, almost identical din yung mga sizes natin. The big difference lang for the master's bedroom, meron tayong balcony. Ayan. Ganda. O, diba? Ang ganda po ng balcony niya. It's on the side. Usually kasi na balcony natin nasa harapan ng property. This one is on the side naman. Although ang pwede nating improve dito, pwede natin palagyan ng bubong. Or kahit yung mga polycarbonate roofing sheet para even if it's raining, 100% usable to all the time, di ba? Yan. Tapos, ito yung kapitbahay mo. Actually, maganda po sa village na to. The only concern, yung unahan kasi nun, ng Vermont Park, medyo nagpa-flood talaga. Although dito naman sa harap ng property, we confirmed with the workers, tsaka yung mga kapitbahay nung nagkarina, which was one of the worst flooding in recent history or recent memory. Nagkaroon ng tubig sa labas pero hindi pumasok sa parking kasi elevated din yung parking natin. So more or less than tuhod yung inabot ng flooding. So safe na safe pati yung mga sasakyan nyo pa rin. Welcome to the third floor. Sa ating third floor, meron tayong third bedroom. So, this is our third bedroom. Yan. Ito yung medyo smaller bedroom. More or less to mga 9 square meters. Buksan ko lang yung ilaw. Including the toilet and bath, probably 10 to 12 square meters to. Meron pa rin tayong built-in closet, of course. And then, our standard na modern industrial type na toilet and bath. Pareho po yung finishes dun sa first three. This is the fourth toilet and bath. After the fourth bedroom, meron tayong parang office area dito or lounge area na pwede nyo i-maximize kasi indoor naman to. Yan. So, pwedeng study area nyo na para sa mga anak nyo or if you're working from home, pwede rin dito. Mga conference calls, pwede dito. Then we have a sliding glass door going towards your spacious third floor balcony. Ito na yung events area, guys. Dito na yung ito na yung pang main event natin. Actually, yung sunset is here. So, anong oras ba ngayon? Alas 3. Yan, maya yan. Makikita na natin yung sunset. Pero, kung magkakaroon kayo ng event, this can fit siguro mga 15 to 20 packs. Yan, kayang-kaya. And then, meron pang area dito. Yan, diba? And then, yung ating glass balcony naman, it's very safe kasi actually, mataas nga siya eh. Usually, sa mga condo, ganito yung height ng ating glass balcony. Yan. So, safe pa rin. Pero syempre, you have to look after the kids. Yan. So, this is the crowning glory of the duplex, of this duplex. Lang tayo guys for this amazing modern industrial 3-bedroom duplex here in Vermont Park along Marcos Highway. And so this is 5 minutes walk going to SM Masinag and LRT2 Antipolo Station. So kung meron po kayong mga estudyante na anak, napakaganda po ng location nito. This house stands on a 106 square meter lot area with a floor area of 172. 3-story po ito. It has 3 bedrooms, 4 toilet and bath, and 2 car garage. They also have a staff room sa likod. So, very spacious po ang bahay na ito. The asking price for this property is just 12.5 million pesos. Yes, tama po kayo, 12.5 million. Nasa Marcos Highway na po kayo. So, napakalapit natin sa Ateneo, sa UP, sa Miriam. So, lahat po ng parents na naghahanap ng malapit-lapit sa Katipunan, this might be the house for you and your family. So if you have further questions or kung gusto niyo po makita itong property na to, you may call us on the number below. You can also reach us through our socials, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and of course, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Maraming salamat po and see you on the next one.